In the last video, we looked at how to add beam pockets to the walls on the RedX Walls app. In this video, we're going to add point loads. It's very similar. We can open up the wall tools, and if you scroll all the way down, you'll see add point load. That's going to open up the point load properties. You can select the number of studs, the material size for that point load, and then you can press the add to wall. So it's going to show these recommended locations, and then you can just press on the add button there. Once you've selected the location, you can hit the done button to get out of the adding, the add mode. To move it, you can select it again. You can either press on this blue button here, move it around, or you can press on these measurements. So you want it to 4 feet from the exterior of the wall. If we can select it again, we can edit to open up the properties of that point load. You can set the number of studs, and you can also set the material size. So 2x6, or if you want a 2x4 point load. For the height override, let's say we wanted a 60 inches. So maybe you had a beam coming out that way. If you wanted a special height, you can do that. And that's going to be the height from, the subfloor vertically up. Then there's a point load orientation, so you can have it sideways. And you can also, once you're in the sideways, you can have it flush to the sheeting side, or flush to the front, or centered. So that pretty much covers the point loads.